Okay, here we are at Al's Fireworks Store in Muskegon, Michigan. Start rolling right into it here. Got some Pyro assortments. Whole bunch of good stuff in them. $250. Got the City Lights assortment, $150. Got this big one for brothers. It's got some peanuts, some nice ball shells. I think that's nitrogen bomb. Major combat in the bottom for $5.50. Got some coast to coast stuff here. Nice sets. 25 shots a pop. 75 shots, $135. We got a Death Wish assortment from Pyro. About 20 shots of cake, $180. It's 1 to 4. The IPA 4-pack, 144 shots total, $225. The Big Apple assortment here. A whole bunch of fun things in here. Pyro Demon, $50. The Air Fighter assortment by Window, $85. Got the Bomb Squad assortment here from Pyro Demon. $175. Got Mob Madness from Brothers, $200 for 4 of them. About 49 shots a pop. We got the Dominator pack right here, $120. Fun stuff at the bottom here. We got the Dominator America's assortment here. This is for $100. Got some more Pyro Demon Block Party assortment here, $120. Ultimate Stockpile by Shogun, $250. Whole bunch of fun stuff in one pack. $1,000-gram sprinkler, $165. Nice out of this world assortment here. It's got Meteor shower, sky blast, nebula, and solar eclipse. 200 bucks, about 25 shots a pop. Nice cool family assortment. 150 bucks. That's not bad. Some artillery shells here. Only 10 bucks. Some raccoon artilleries. 25. Supernovas by Raccoon. 30 bucks. And then the Shaky Blast. 30. Nice little 100 shooter right here. 22 bucks. Got a Mega Mini by Dominator, 20 bucks. Hello Summer by Boomwow, 55 shots, 18 bucks. Got some festival balls, 12 bucks by Black Cat. Got assorted crackling shells from Winda, 12 bucks. Nice artillery shells from Pyro Demon, 12 bucks. Roll right into these. Some double breaks from Mad Ox, 50 bucks. Get the extra large shells from Raccoon, 50 bucks. The 6-inch carnivore shells from Tiger Tooth, 60 bucks. Down here we got some peanuts, some other neon shells, 72 breaks, 175. Got smoke and mirrors, 50 bucks. Some Pyro Demon evil shells, 25. Got the live shells, 25. Homeland Favorites by Brothers, it's 30 bucks. Got Ruckus by Brothers, 30 bucks. Get Demon Warrior by Pyro Demon, 125. Packin' Heat by Brothers, 125. Bang Bang by Boomwow, 150. 6-inch double breaks, big boys. Got some Raccoon shells, Neon Skies, 100 bucks. Got Excals, 90 bucks. Some stuff by Pyro King, 110. Got the Fear of the Dark shells by Pyro Demon, 90 bucks. Got the Tannerite shells, Siege Cannon mortars, 150. Got Fireworks Fantasy, Nishiki shells, 100 bucks. Pyro Diablo. Big Daddy shells. 110. Great Mamba shells. 90 bucks. Get the 6-inch King Dragon shells. 135. We got Cannon of Liberty. 125 by Tiger Tooth. Raptor shells. 90 bucks. Taste My Venom. 90 bucks. And then Arms Depot by Raccoon. 60 bucks. We got some Quest shells by Brothers. 90 bucks. Some more Tannerite. And Diablo shells from Black Cat. 100 bucks. That'll basically wrap up the artillery shell section here. Got a little bit more to go yet, but we'll see you in the next one.